This video, I will be telling you how to watch BeReal and how to see your friends BeReal. So for that, all you have to do is to go to the Play Store and install the BeReal application. And once you have done that, simply go ahead and open it up. And you will need to create your account. So once you have done that, all you need to do is to add your friends, the be real of your friends and family. So simply go ahead and go to the real people and brands that you have added, and you will see that if you want to see their latest be real, you need to post first. So for that, let's just go and post something. So as you guys can see that I'm right here at my working station. I'm just gonna post something right here. So wait till it loads up. So you guys can see that I have uploaded my first Be Real on the internet. And now that as I have posted my Be Real, I'll be able to see their Be Real on it as well. So what I have to do is to go back to the friends section, and in the friends section all I have to do is go to the friends and the brand that I want to watch, and here you guys can see that now I can watch their Be Real. So this is how you guys can do it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.